Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the LangChain versus LLM index. So let's get started. So basically LangChain is basically build AI workflows and the agents. So it's basically orchestration framework. So what is orchestration? Orchestration is basically coordinating the multiple tools or the steps in order, like a conductor telling each musician when to play. So it's like this one. So LangChain is a full stack framework for building the LLM powered applications. It shines when you need multi step pipelines, tools using agents, and the complex workflows in that case. So core strength, that is agent loops. So agent loop basically what it does, that AI thinks, acts, and check the results. Thinks again, repeating until the task is done. With the tools use and like search, API calls, code execution. Chain multiple LM calls together, 100 plus integrations, LM vector stores tools, land graph for the full multi-agent workflows, Langsmith for tracing and observability. So basically, Langsmith a dashboard to watch and debug what your AI is doing step by step, like an activity log. Memory management across the conversation. So what is LLM index? Connecting data to the LLMs RAG. So LLM index is a purpose built for ingesting. So ingesting basically reading and loading your documents data into the system, like feeding papers into a scanner so the AI can read them. Indexing, organizing your documents so that they can found quickly, like creating a table of contents for a book. And querying data. Querying means asking question and getting the most relevant information back from your stored documents. Okay, so with LLMs, it's the go-to choice when RAG is primarily use case. Okay, so basically LLM index, what we are trying to do is like ingesting, indexing, and querying data with LLMs. So core strength would be the best in the class RAG pipeline out of the box, 100 plus data loaders, PDF, web SQL APIs, advanced chunking, indexing strategies they are using, querying engine and re-ranking and filtering, structured data extraction and the agents, LLM cloud for managed ingestion pipelines. So LLM cloud basically LLM index paid cloud service that handles the document injection, storage for you without any step. Okay, so let's take a feature. For primary focus is the agents and the chain. LM index is basically the RAG and the data indexing. Learning curve, moderate, easier for the start. RAG quality, good, excellent. Agent capabilities, excellent for the lang graph and it's good. Data connectors, many, 100 plus. Observability, Langsmith, it's a basic tracing. Production ready, yes, yes. Multi-agent LAN graph and agentic RAG. Okay. Now ecosystem file size very large. Best for complex AI workflows, document, QA, and the search. So in that, like, suppose I upload the PDF and I want to get some data from it, so that gonna be used over there, right? So choose LangChain when building AI agents that use tools, browse code APIs, multi-step workflows with decision logic. Chatbots that need memory and the context, orchestrating multiple models together, need advanced tracing with the Langsmith, building stateful multi-agent systems. Okay, choose LLM index when cinematic search over the documents, chat with your PDF database, need precise chunk and the index control, loading data from diverse source, 10 plus formats, enterprise knowledge base QA systems, structured data extraction from the docs. So basically, LLM index is like data extraction from the docs, and whenever you ask some questions, so it will give you the answers from that PDF, that document. Okay, quick decision, use LangChain. I need an agent that can take actions, use tools, and handle the complex logic. That's where we can use LLM index. I need a query search over my own data with high accuracy. That's the LLM index. Use both LangChain for the orchestration plus LLM index is the retrieval tool inside it. Okay, so these are the basic terms. If you want that one, I will share you the PDF, right? So what is re-ranking, pipeline, cinematic search? So that I will share with you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.